Got 20 big scars, my phone on silent. I wanna know what you, I wanna know what you on. My niggas don't block you. My niggas don't block you, though. My bitch on me when I'm on. I was dumb ass up on the floor. She say my comment, she tends to a hoe. I'm in that game, we don't get along, niggas. Taking shoes on reggae and my car cost 6 figures. Back my life to thicker than living in the same world with these broke niggas. What's good, people? What's going on everywhere? And what's happening with everybody? Well, it's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. I know this week, I know this week I didn't post anything. I uploaded any video. I've been in my ear on YouTube. I know it, I'm not bad about it. But I'm back again with another weekly review. I hope everyone had a profitable week. I hope everyone did what they had to do. I hope everyone stayed to their plans, they executed what they had to. And I hope we all did what we supposed to and we did what we meant to do in this world. So without further ado, I just want to slide because this is a potential market review. And by the way, it's almost 6 a.m. I just woke up. I just woke up and can't say much. I can't say much. Can't say much. We all know that the previous week we was looking for buys. If price breaks this intraday resistant level or sells if it fails to break, but it had a buy. So now looking at current price, we can tell that like we're on our trend from the daily and the weekly time frame. And we can tell that like we have a potential dead touch. So to me on the daily time frame, I can't say much. What am I just like had to do? It's head to the 4H. Let's head down to the 4H because it got more shit to do because it so early in the morning, bitch crazy. So from the 4H, you can tell that like our structure, you can tell that like our structure, we're still we're still in a bullish channel, still in a bullish channel. But either way, without that, what I just want to say is because now price is still bullish, because price is still now bullish, boom. Or we had current market price giving us a higher high and higher low and a higher high and had this potential higher low. But this higher low is now different because trading below the previous higher high. So with that, like it's like this. We have a high high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low, which is trading low than the previous higher low. So with that, all I just want to see is for price to simply, all we're just waiting for is to take continuation buys once price breaks this higher high. We go short once price breaks this lower low. If so I know I'm not explaining the way I should be, or I'm not breaking it down to the T. I know I'm not doing it. I'm not breaking it down to the T, and I'm not doing what I'm supposed to. I understand it, but you people just gotta bear with me because I know at the same time I'm not trying to I'm not trying to explain things to people who don't know what's happening. I know someone out there knows what I'm talking about, and I know someone who got it. So I'm simply waiting to take shorts once price breaks the lows, high buys once price breaks those level highs. So now with that, we're not looking to do much because the market the market is just pushing up. It's just pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. You phone. And with that said, I wanted to drop and I wanted to upload a video on how I trade patterns, on how I execute trades on patterns, and reversal patterns, continuation patterns, and all them type of shit like that. But like because your people always said I'm no more staying alone this week, the 2 weeks now, that's not that week. I hadn't been staying alone. So a lot gonna be happening. We packing the crib and I wanna upload people that kept with me when someone trying to do shit that they been doing. But we moved. So we had a wedge pattern, a rising wedge pattern, which price broke the trend, broke the pattern, and broke the lows, the higher lows which we had with a potential double top. So because now we can't take trades, I can't take trades from here when market opens. I don't want to do that. It's just wrong for me. I can't do it, but I would if I wanted to take trades, boom, from all the way up with an anticipation of a double top, with price closing bearish for potential continuation to the downside. But at the same time, it's best if we simply wait for price to close, if we simply wait for price to break those lows for continuation. If we might have our stop loss in the same place, and we might have all our targets, and we might have our first target right there, second target down there. That target, it's an overall 90% retracement of all this bullish trend which we have. So NAS is just as simple. We're simply waiting to take sales. Once price breaks the lows, we take buys once price breaks the higher highs, and we continue bullish or we even start going bearish with price. So looking at gold from the 4H, you can tell that like we had overall price is still bullish with the current market price. You can tell that like we had this overall bear trend all the way to the previous support level, all the way to our major support level, because we had our major support and we had our major resistance, and we have our intraday support levels, zones and levels. So with that, we had price breaking in our support zone, but the bulls didn't be that strong to maintain it, and they ended up getting outside of that zone. With that, we can tell that like we're even trading in a what in a bullish, we're even trading in a bullish channel. So what I'm simply waiting for is for price to simply break the intraday support level and the break wall and retest and continuation to move to the downside, or get out touch on the trend, close above our highs, and close above our intraday support level to continue bullish with price. Because now on the hourly time frame, price just clearly pushed, and now they're trying to pick up that momentum, and now the bulls are trying to continue picking up the momentum. What I'm simply waiting for again is for price to fail to break here to take those buys, or for price to break this highs to take those buys, or we get an overall breakout retest for a continuation for a new trend to the downside with gold. So on gold, it's just how it is. I also can't say much, but we're looking to take buys from those highs and sells from the break of those lows. So it's basically buys above highs, sells above lows, sells below lows, and that's it. Looking at the German 30 from the 4H. Yeah, we also are in a price did close this gap after 2 months. After 2 months of trading, price came back again to close this gap. And what we had now, it's a pin bar and a bear trend starting to move to the downside from price failing to break those highs, which we had to continue moving bullish with them. With that said, I might head to the 1H, and we also are in a bullish channel. Despite anything, we also are in a bullish channel. But now, current price, we have a bear flag. We have a bear flag right there, and we all know that like once you have a push and an exhaustion, we're gonna have a stronger push to the downside. So what I'm simply waiting for is for price to break the trend and to continue breaking the channel with a potential reversal trade to the downside. And we simply take our trades all the way to the downside with German 30 from the 4H and the 1H. Because from the 4H we had a fall to break and a pin bar and a start of a bear trend. So now current price on the 1H, we have a bear flag, which which we closed the week with. So what we're simply waiting for is for price to simply continue bearish with what does the form we have break, retest, and a continuation to the downside. That's just how it is on German 30. That's just how it is. So looking at US 30 from the 4H. US 30, I can't say much. Price is just in the correction. Price is just moving sideways. Price is moving sideways from current price. You can't tell that like we're taking buys from here, we're taking sales from here, and we're taking buys from here. The only thing we're waiting for is for breakout price in range, bullish or bearish breakout. We continue taking those trades. So if we take buys from there, we all know that like we had a breakout. But if you take shorts from here, you all know we also had a big breakout, and we take those continuation trades. Take those continuation trades of price and do what price is doing, not to just do what price, not to just do what we see price will do, but we wait for price to do what it gotta do, and we just follow it. USD CAD, I'm gonna just be on the 1H, but like we can't tell that like price is still in a sideways movement, and overall picture we're still in a sideways movement, but like current price, I can tell that like price did try to push and break above and trade above the key level. So what we're simply waiting for is for price to close above those highs and key levels to start taking those shorts, or close below this key level and those lows to start moving to the downside all the way to here. And if we take those longs, TP, that's right there. The intraday support level and the intraday resistance level won't be our TPs. Like the market it won't be hard to trade this week, to be honest. Everything is just boom, yeah, like it's just silver spoon. Everything the market is just giving us everything. It all depends on how on us traders, how are we gonna handle everything? How are we gonna be comfortable, or how are we gonna be eager to take those trades or to execute those trades? So Tesla, Tesla I can say much, but like price is just trying to pull back and move to the downside, because now price is clearly moving bullish. But like we did have a double top, which we had, but like all I need to do is just to circle out this high, because I still have an important zone. So now all I'm just simply waiting for, bro, is for an indication of where price will go, because now I can't see anything on Tesla. I don't see anything on Tesla. We move Bitcoin. Bitcoin I actually analyzed yesterday. I was looking for, because I saw this flag, which I was anticipating a break, retest, continuation to the upside. But price chose not to, and escalating and started escalating to the downside. So I'm gonna analyze it from the 4H first, because prices don't moving. So we're in a correction. You can see it. Prices moving sideways. We take shorts from resistance and take longs from support. That's just how it is. Trading zones, taking buys on zones, taking a buy on intraday resistance, taking sells on intraday resistance, taking buys on intraday support level zones. So prices in a correction can't say much. With price being in a correction, what we're simply we're waiting for a bullish or bearish breakout. Because now prices in a correction, you simply wait for a bullish or bearish breakout to take those continuation trades, either to the upside or to the downside. Ethereum, Ethereum, we did have this channel which price kind of like broke out. So because now the 1H, the 4H is just ugly. We simply look at the 1H, you can tell that that price did break out. Don't care about it, but this channel was just forced. We did have a breakout. Now price is kind of like trading bearish. So what I'm simply waiting for to take those continuation trades is to simply break out of the channel, break out of our channel, because on an intraday perspective, I can tell that like price is just moving sideways. For price is just moving sideways. Before price is just moving sideways, not really moving sideways, but like price is trading at support, price is trading at resistance. So with that said, all I might simply wait for is for break of the trend or for price to bounce on the trend. Take those buys on fail to break and those sells that break out. Bitcoin, same shit with Bitcoin, same shit with Bitcoin, same shit with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is clear. We did have a breakout. We did have a breakout, which I was looking for price to bounce or price to break out, but we did have a bounce and ended up having a breakout. So with that said, the only thing I'm waiting for is for price on current price, is for price to fail to break the zone, because now on the 15-minute time frame, I can tell this is a zone because we're now using day trading perspectives on current price, but on overall, we're using swing or scalps for so yes, sir. But the only thing I'd wait for is for price to fail to break those levels and boom, simply take the 90% retracement TP before me and just see where price will end up. But on overall, I still see price being bearish, your boom. So on oil, I need to start from the daily time frame. Oil was trading in a support level for some time with price, ended up breaking out aggressively. We ended up having an aggressive breakout. And the previous week, I think I did, when I uploaded, I did say that like I still see continuation trades to the downside on oil. So with that said, from the 4H, on the 4H, we're having a bear flag. Like, I can't stress, I can't stress that much or bother myself that much about bear flags and bull flags or buttons. Those things work, and not to say they work 100%. They do. You do take L's from trading buttons because it's part of the game, bro. But like, shit do work, and they work 100% to me. If only they do work. I still see price being bearish because you can't tell we have a flag, which might potentially have a continuation breakout to the downside. So from the 1H perspective, so from the 1H, the only thing we're waiting for is for price to break out, boom, closing above the lows, before me closing below those lows to take continuation trades to the downside on oil. So NAS will simply go, okay, NAS will simply go short below lows or go long above highs. Gold, I can't tell that much, but like I said, we simply wait for a break of our channel or for a close above those highs to continue bullish, or with a breakout of the channel, we start going bearish with gold. German 30, we have a potential bad flag. The only thing we're waiting for is for a break of the flag and a break of the channel to strongly move bearish. US state is in a correction. We either break out bullish or bearish to take continuation trades. USD CAD, close above highs, close above key level, we continue bullish. Close below, we continue bearish. Tesla, I can say much. Bitcoin, prices in a correction, bullish or bearish breakout. Ethereum, breakout of the channel or bounce from the channel to take continuation trades. Bitcoin, simply just see a bear trend. And oil, we have a potential bear flag. We simply have a we have a potential bear flag with price breaking out. We continue bearish with price. So without further ado, I can't say much. This is my weekly review for China last yesterday with potential market direction, which I see for the week. So now because I'm done, all I just now to do is just prepare myself because I'm still in my pajamas, prepare myself to go for a jog and have some cardio and just start my Sunday, just relax, watch a movie, do anything which I feel like doing today, and just enjoy my day. So that's just my that's just my weekly outlook. That's just this is just my weekly trading outlook, which I always do. To ever who will take a trade, good luck on you. And to be honest, and to be brutally open with y'all, this is not financial advice. Everything I say you do, bro, that's not financial advice. I'm just trying to help someone, and I'm just trying to show people how to take trades, execute trades, or plan your trades before you execute your trades. So without further ado, it's your boy Hallam. If you ain't live trading with Hallam, who the fuck you should do it with? And that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.